Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to copy Instagram link. So open your Instagram app and then go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then right here at your profile page, you need to tap on the three lines at the top right, then go to QR code. As you can see here, the QR code that they are going to scan. So to do that, tap on the icon at the top right corner to scan this QR code and they can automatically go to your profile. And the other option that you can do is go to QR code and tap on this share profile. Once you've done this, you can send it right away to your friends on Instagram. So for example, I send it right here. As you can see, here is the QR code. The third option that we're going to do here is you need to go back to the profile page and then go back to the QR code, and then you can tap on copy link. Once you copy the link, you can go back to the chat in the inbox and you have to paste the link right over here. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.